Hey guys, did you know that the iconic Berlin Cathedral or Berliner Dome isn't actually a cathedral in the strict sense? Because it has never been the seat of a bishop. It is technically a parish church, but looking at the massive, majestic dome, it is hard to call it anything other than a masterpiece. Today, I am bringing a piece of Berlin's soul into a unique canvas, which is a glass bottle. Built in the late 19th century, the dome is famous for its high style. I really want to focus on that distinct turquoise green dome, which has become a symbol of the city skyline. Painting on a carved surface is a challenge, but it allows the architecture to feel almost 3D as you rotate the bottle. I started with a base of acrylics. And don't forget to add those little details. That is the main thing. To contrast the cold stone of the building, I added these fairy autumn trees and vintage street lamps to capture the cozy European golden hour vibe. Every detail needs your steady hand, especially when walking with the fine details of vintage car out front. I'm really happy with how this Berlin in a bottle turned out. If you would like to own this original piece, it is currently listed on my eBay. I will put the link in the description below. Or if you are looking for a custom painting or have any question about my process, feel free to slide into my DMs on Instagram. My Instagram handle is TheMonaZine. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my creative journey today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more art video from TheMonaZine. See you in the next one. Bye bye.